Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. We have one of our 7x16s here in stock. This is in our matte black blackout. These are multi-use true off-road trailers. These are insulated with windows, power, AC, and they give you about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. You don't have a giant axle tube that hangs down and totally defeats the purpose of that. You guys can view all of our inventory always at coloradotrailersinc.com. Send us an email at sales@coloradotrailersinc.com, and we ship if you guys aren't here, so give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote as well. Again, this is one of our 7x16s, has a 7-foot interior height, so it's big enough for most UTVs and side-by-sides out there. Does come with a thicker aluminum skin on our off-road trailers. You also have the black diamond plate rock guard, so you've got the full blackout package. Extra tall diamond plate rock guard. You've got nice wraps on the corners as well. Back out a little bit so you guys can see. Front generator box and platform doesn't come with a generator, but it is generator ready. You also have a side swivel jack, removable front coupler, great for anti-theft purposes. And then there's your twist lock plug right there, so you can plug right in and bring your 110 power in. Side doors may move back a little bit, so if you guys want to do a build out and add cabinets, you'll have some room up there to do that. RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double locks on the side door and a step, because again, they sit up nice and tall. Overall height of this trailer is just over 10 feet, so they're big trailers. You do have two 3,500-pound torsion axles with a 32-inch Mudterrain tire, brakes on all fours, black aluminum American racing wheels. Party lights off the side here. You also got load lights off of the back, so you guys have some exterior light to see what you're doing at night. And then you do have a rear ramp door, of course, or a rear deck if you want it. We did the rear deck option on this, so you can use it as a deck, have some exterior space. This is aluminum roof rack and ladder. I believe that's a 7x6 up there. That's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed. Nothing concentrated. You can't put a generator or something up there on top, but again, great place for kayaks, canoes, those big bulky items that you want out of the trailer. You also have stabilizer jacks here in the back. So if you guys want to drop and camp and do your thing, you'll have that extra stability with the trailer. Coming in on the interior, we do have insulated walls and ceiling in here. The white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. And then we also have a battery with a battery box battery charger. Great feature. I love the battery because that battery runs your exterior lighting for you. It also runs your interior lights for you. So you don't have to be plugged into a generator or your truck to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer. And then you can also see you've got two windows. These are a slider window with a screen. They're tinted, they're lockable, so great versatility there. Plus you've got a Maxx Air roof vent. Doesn't have a fan in it, just means it has the bubble cover over it, so you guys don't have to worry about that leaking water in on your stuff. We use a Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. It's a great durable floor. Underneath this product is Drymax, which is a water resistant product, which is on the underneath side of the trailer, so you don't have wood underneath the trailer that you have to worry about warping and shrinking and falling apart after a couple years. Now again, you've got 4 D-rings, so you've got some tie down points. Light switch back here is to turn on your load lights, and then I'm gonna spin around. You do have interior outlets for those guys. And again, you'll need your generator to run your interior outlets, plus you've got the exterior GFI outlet outside. These 4-foot LED lights are also 110, so you'll need your generator for those, and then you've got your AC unit with a heat strip up there in the front as well. So some good versatility and climate control. 7-foot interior height. Everyone asks us what the size of these trailers are. So this actual box that we're standing in is 7 feet wide, 16 feet long, and you've got 7 feet in interior height. It's gonna give you about 6'6", 6'7" at the rear door, because we do have that spring. So you're gonna lose a little bit of height there. And then your interior dimensions, we usually lose just a couple of inches. So you'll probably have, my guess is about 6'10" here for width. And for your length, you'll have about 15'10". So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit better idea of what's there. This trailer weighs 3,500 pounds. You're gonna have a 3,500 pound payload capacity and of course a 3-year factory warranty. So here it is. Again, check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. You guys can always send us an email. It's the quickest place to reach us nowadays. Again, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com, or give us a call, 303-688-8485. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, you guys have a great day.